welcome to our channel. So today we will learn the learning. So what I am telling, the how we can learn from learning. See, uh, when anything, basically we have a questions for each and everything. When you born, we born with questions. Like I don't want to go with like bigger questions and all. Small questions like what will be the what is that object and how it has to be used, or who is that person, or what are the products in our home, what and all is there, and what about our friends, like that. We will have so many questions. So, in the basically, if you say in Kannada, it's a basically hudukata. Just we are searching and we are learning. Then we are started searching, learning, like how we are eating every day for a body, and same way we are getting the knowledge for our mind. And every day we want to get new knowledge. We have to learn something, and for that, how we used to learn, how we get the whenever any questions comes, what is the basic things we used to do? Just we should ask our parents or our friends, or in school and colleges, teachers and lecturers, and through books also we used to get the learning. Some of the method is like example, when we get any question, we directly go and ask the concerned person and we will get the answer. If it is authenticated, and if we think that answer is right to for us, then we will accept and we will learn, and we will share to others also. If you think that is not convincing, then we will try to get the more information from other sources. Like books and all is like when we have to find and get the proper book and get the answer, or who know that particular domain, and we have to search that person and get the answer. But in today's context, is everything is technology, and we technology has become so much huge that today what and all activities we are doing, everything is machine knows, and not only what we are doing, how we may do, like what we required in future, that also machines know. Basically, like whatever the we are getting the ads or other things is like a AI learned, and we are getting the push notifications. And sometimes we think that we are thinking something and that will happen. So it's that much technology is built in the system. And before it used to call that what is that telepathy. But the telepathy is now is matching to technology, and whatever we are thinking, some or other way we are getting that knowledge. And since I started this channel, and I want to share a lot of knowledge, and I want to share about art and other things also. Basically, uh, like if you are coming to my channel and getting the information, you have to go through this process. Everybody will go through. We will search. Somebody will tell like this kind of channel is there. You can subscribe and get the information. Or in Google, or so you will search and get the information. Or you will get somewhere about to know about the channel name, and you will get the information. So let's start. Start with Hudukata. Let's start with searching in Google. Just a basic thing, how we can get the information. Like as I told, see today not only in Google, you can search from like if you have a AI device like Alexa and other things, you can search. Just you have to ask, it will give the answer. If you want some songs, just you have to ask, you will get the song. If doesn't there in the database, then that also it will tell, I don't have that song, you have to subscribe so and so, you will get the answer. So what is happened, whatever there in the human knowledge, that entire thing is transferred to machines, and everything is machines know today. And instead of human interaction, we are interacting more with machines. uh, One thing is good, but other thing is we are losing the human interactions. and that is very much is required. uh, we are not storing the information, just whenever is required, just we will ask the devices, machines, and we will get the information. One way it is good, but at least we should continue the communication with human beings, so we will be human beings, otherwise we will also become machines. Just start with, just we will learn how to search in Google and get the information. Okay, to start with, we have to open a Google in our browser, and you can search anything. So anything, whatever comes to your mind, you will get the detail. Like example, I want to know about art. See, here you will get about, see, for example, in within 0.82 seconds, Google gave so many results. So more than multiple crores. So many information is available in Google, and in that one, like these are all the latest information, are very authenticated information. What under we can see from Quora.com, what should everyone know about art? MTEast.com, 10 truths every new artist should know about making art. Just say about I want to know about art, we are getting so many information. Like that, you can ask anything. I want to know about plants. See, within a 0.74 seconds, we are getting so many results. Top 10 things to know about plants. There are about 250,000 different plant species. So many things are there. Everything you ever wanted to know about plants. Okay, these are like information. So like you want to book a ticket. I want to book rail ticket. See, in 1.09 seconds we get so many results to booking a ticket. So what and all main, like makemytrip.com, Indian Railway Reservation, it's going to IRCTC, this one, and rail3.in, easytrip.com, irctc.co.in. See, whichever this website related, that we are getting the result. So result, as I told, you can get in different ways. These are the text. You can get the news. I want to book a ticket. Like at Ahmedabad railway station platform, deserted, rush of migrants outside. So these are all the news related, and you will get the videos. As I told in the intro, so like this you will get the YouTube videos, anything which you are searching, which you want to get the information. Okay, so a lot of videos are there. How to book a ticket, how to book a local train ticket, how to book train ticket directly from your mobile. So many information is already available. Just you have to click, and in YouTube,
how to book train tickets directly from your mobile.
So like this, it will come through Airtel Money. Using Airtel Money, how to book a ticket.
Welcome to Airtel Money. It's really simple as 1, 2, 3. Begin by opening an account by dialing *4
like that. Like you want to know about some place or weather. What is the Bangalore? What is the weather condition in Bangalore? So you will get to know what is the weather condition in Bangalore. At present, Bangalore 25 degrees Celsius is there. Bangalore, Karnataka, Sunday 6 p.m. Mostly clouded. It's clouded actually. It's the same result as I told you. Will get the from Alexa. You can ask Alexa and it will give the result like that. Even here also see voice search is there. We can click. It will ask to hello. Hi Google. I want to know about Hi Google. See?
Here are the listings for Google near Bengaluru.
Okay. I want to know about artist in Bangalore. See, just I have to. No need to tell also. If I tell, it will automatically typed and we can come to know about. See, 21 art galleries in Bangalore. 23 young artists you should know. Places to visit in Bangalore if you love art. I want to travel to. Okay, it's
Bengaluru is 29 minutes from your location by car and light traffic. Here are your directions.
See, you can get the direction also from my place to Bangalore Central. It's telling the how to go and how much time it will take. See, these things you can do it in mobile also, and you can do it in your computer also. So what else we can search? What is the COVID condition in Bangalore? See, just we will get to know what and all happening in Bangalore. Bangalore coronavirus news, latest news. Karnataka Bangalore coronavirus latest news. So like this, we'll get the details. Top stories will get the link also. What is the corona cases in India?
Here is some information for what is the COVID situation in India. According to The Hindu, India is in the midst of a deadly wave of the coronavirus pandemic, with more than 40,000 people testing positive for the virus on Friday. India in #39, COVID-19 tally crossed the 10 million mark on December 19th, and in under 6 months it has doubled, surpassing the grim milestone of 20 million cases on May 4th.
See, this is how we'll get the information. So just I want to show searching Pudkata. Now it's become very easy and we can search easily information. Only thing is we should know whether it is authenticated or not. So that knowledge also we should have. We should learn some basic things. Then we can analyze and think that okay, whatever the information we are getting, it's the right information. And in Google, it's it's like authenticated information we get normally. And for general thing, for medical and other things, we have to consider respective people. So this is how we can do the searching. Thanks for watching. We'll come with more videos and we will learn a lot of things. Thank you very much.